I'm working on a presentation my teammates sent while I'm traveling. I have Office on my iPad, so I'm able to get work done from anywhere. It looks like Molly gave us a great start with this. I'll add a note for us to list our top 3 customers on this slide by going to the Insert tab and clicking Text Box. We need to list our products, so I'll add a placeholder slide for that, and we'll fill it in later. Here, I'll tap Notes to add a reminder for us to review next year's budget. Glad we're on track for this year. I'm not sure I like this theme a whole lot. I can change it here. That looks better. Glad I had my iPad on this trip. It sure is handy to be able to work on stuff wherever I am.